Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, your go-to destination for all things natural and holistic. And today, we've got something special for those dealing with oily skin. If you've been dreaming of that radiant, glowing complexion, you're in the right place. Struggling with super oily skin that makes your face look dull and lifeless? I feel you. But don't worry, in today's video I'm sharing my top 5 natural home remedies that will give your oily skin a healthy, radiant glow. First is lemon juice, packed with skin brightening vitamin C and citric acid. Lemon helps remove excess oil and sebum. Mix fresh lemon juice with some rose water, apply to your face, let sit for 10 minutes, and rinse. Do this a few times a week. Next, apple cider vinegar is an amazing natural astringent, balancing your skin's pH while dissolving oil. Dilute raw ACV with water, soak a cotton pad, and wipe all over your face like a toner. It leaves skin matte and fresh. Fuller's earth clay, also called Multani Mitti, is awesome at absorbing excess grease and sebum thanks to its mineral content. Blend it into a paste with rose water or aloe vera gel, apply to your face, let it dry, and wash off. It's like a deep cleansing facial. Egg whites are an old school trick for oily skin. The proteins tighten pores and remove impurities without over-drying. Whip some egg whites until foamy, gently apply to your face, allow to dry fully, then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel squeaky clean. Finally, organic honey acts like a natural astringent to remove excess oil while adding antioxidants. Mix a teaspoon of raw honey with some lemon juice. Massage this into your damp face, rinse with warm water, and pat your skin dry. It leaves your skin balanced and glowing. There you have it, 5 homemade remedies to mattify oily skin and give it a gorgeous, healthy radiance. They use simple, natural ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. Give them a try and let me know your results in the comments.